purpose of this video is to show how to assemble an AN series enclosure. Polycase AN series enclosures are UL listed with multiple type ratings including 4X, 6P, 12, and 13. They are available with or without mounting flanges. They are offered with the black color powder coat or in the natural aluminum color. The finish on the natural enclosures will be smooth with an as cast or brushed finish depending on the surface. Install the gasket into the groove on the cover prior to assembling the cover onto the base. Orient the gasket so its shape matches the shape of the groove in the cover. Place the gasket onto the groove, then press the gasket in a downward direction into the groove. Dragging your finger down the length of the gasket groove to press it in is not advised since this can stretch the gasket and cause it not to fit into the groove. Captive screw functionality is present on certain sizes as noted on the specification menu on the website. The sizes that do not have the captive feature will have a clearance hole in the cover, allowing the screw to pass through unobstructed through the screw hole. For sizes with the captive feature, the screw hole on the cover is smaller than the screw, causing interference so the screw can't be pressed through by hand. Thread the screw through the cover while assembling the cover onto the base. This interference fit is intentional and required for the captive screw feature of the enclosure. The screw torque is 12 inch-pounds as noted on the specifications menu and the UL label inside each enclosure.